White Sands National Park, New Mexico, the world's largest gypsum dune field, and a landscape like no other, where snow-white dunes meet the desert sky. Imagine vast waves of dazzling white sand stretching as far as the eye can see, sculpted by the wind into graceful dunes that shimmer under the blazing New Mexico sun. This isn't a snowy winter wonderland. It's White Sands National Park, home to the world's largest gypsum dune field. Here, nature's artistry has created a surreal landscape of radiant dunes, rare plants, and unique wildlife, offering visitors an otherworldly experience unlike anywhere else on Earth. The magic behind the white sands. Unlike typical desert sand made from quartz, the sand at White Sands is composed of gypsum crystals, a mineral so soluble that it rarely forms dunes anywhere else. The gypsum originates from ancient seas that once covered the region. Over thousands of years, rainwater dissolved the gypsum from the surrounding mountains, draining into the basin and evaporating to leave behind vast deposits. Wind then swept the crystals into rolling dunes, creating this extraordinary white expanse. A landscape of contrasts and life. Spanning about 275 square miles, White Sands dazzles with its shimmering dunes that shift and glow throughout the day. But the park is more than just sand. Flora and fauna. Despite the harsh environment, specialized plants like the soap tree yucca and rare animals such as the White Sands pupfish and the bleached earless lizard have adapted perfectly to this unique habitat. Changing light. The dunes. Colors shift from brilliant white at midday to soft pinks and oranges at sunset, creating breathtaking vistas and endless photographic opportunities. Night skies. Far from city lights, the park offers some of the darkest skies in the U.S., ideal for stargazing and experiencing the Milky Way's grandeur. Adventures in the sands. Visitors to White Sands National Park can explore its beauty in many ways. Hiking. Trails wind through the dunes, from easy walks like the Dune Life Nature Trail to the challenging off-trail hike to High Dune, the park's tallest dune. Sledding. One of the park guests' most beloved activities is sledding down the slippery gypsum dunes, a thrilling experience for kids and adults alike. Ranger programs. Educational talks and guided walks introduce visitors to the geology, ecology, and cultural history of this remarkable place. A place of history and mystery. White Sands has been a sacred and strategic place for centuries. Indigenous peoples lived and traveled through the area, leaving behind artifacts and stories. During World War II, the nearby White Sands Missile Range was established, intertwining the park's natural wonder with scientific and military history. Why White Sands National Park is a must-visit. White Sands National Park is a testament to nature's creativity and resilience, a place where stark beauty, unique ecosystems, and endless horizons come together in a dazzling display. It invites visitors to walk on a sea of white, to wonder at the adaptations of life in extreme conditions, and to find peace beneath vast open skies.